All right. And as I said, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Lee Allison. So Mr. Glazier, we had this matter set for a pretrial bench conference today. Have you had enough time to speak with myself and Mr. Hartung?
Yes, I have. Yeah.
All right. And have you had ample time to speak with your client?
Yes, sir.
All right. And how would your client like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I think there's going to be an amended complaint filed at some point that'll have a count of second-degree murder. It's my understanding that my client would plead to second-degree murder with, I don't know, was it a Cobbs or a killer?
Well, we can put on the record that there were discussions in back regarding potential sentences if he were to plead guilty to an added count 3 second-degree murder. That is a life offense. Is that correct?
That is correct.
That's correct.
But we ran the guidelines in back according to the law.
That in great detail.
Yep, and we determined the guideline range would be 162 to 270 months. And there was a discussion that 20 years would be acceptable to all the parties. Is that correct? As a minimum sentence?
That's the agreement as I understand it, Your Honor, yes.
That is your.
Okay, all right. So, and Mr. Hartung, your office will amend the information today.
We will do that.
Okay, all right. So, and as I said, the guidelines, we need Jen Walsh, and she's here. Hold on. I forgot.
Judge Paulette's getting somebody over.
Yeah, Miss Walsh is just logged on. I'm sorry. When it's not a Wednesday, I forget to call MDOC sometimes. Miss Walsh. Jennifer Walsh. I don't know. Ms. Robinson and Mr. Tipton, I'm happy in the waiting room. Oh, there you go, Ms. Walsh, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Lee Allison, file number 22-20996 FC. The plea offer that has been made today would be that Mr. Allison would plead to an added count 3 second-degree murder. And the guidelines were calculated to be 162 to 270 months. And his minimum term, basically Cobbs or Kilbert, whatever it might be, there's been a long, lengthy discussion this morning. His minimum sentence would be 20 years with Michigan Department of Corrections. All right.
Okay.
All right. So Mr. Ellison, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I'm going to need you to speak up loudly, and if you think you can't, you can always stand at the podium too, okay? So can you state your full name for the record?
Michael Lee Allison.
Now, Mr. Ellison, we've been here for almost an hour this morning, and you've had an opportunity to speak with your attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand your attorney and the prosecutor and myself also met for about 40 minutes in back discussing this case. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And your attorney fully explained that to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he's explained the plea offer to you,
Sure.
the ramifications? Are you satisfied with Mr. Glazier as your attorney and the advice that he's given you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So you've heard the statement. Did I swear him in, Ms. Mayor? Yes, I did.
Your Honor, before we get, there should be another part of that. We didn't talk about that. We don't, I guess we'd want an agreement that the top end would not be life. The top end would be a
Term of years.
Well,
We didn't agree to that.
I know we did, but otherwise it makes no sense.
Take a break.
Okay, so Mr. Ellison can have a seat over there if you want. Mr. Hartung, Mr. Glazier, can you approach?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Mine is less.
It's just if it's like. What's that?
I would ask how old the defendant is.
I don't care what.
I need to make sure that it is.
So. yeah.
I just don't.
Well, are you fine with the termination?
Fine.
Okay, well, there's no guarantee with that.
I need to explain it to these guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and take a second. All right. Okay. Okay, Miss Walsh, give me a minute. I'm gonna pop back to my other hearing.